I am really, really very happy and hopeful with the last developments around Mr. Ocalan and the possibility to the last call of important call and historic call by Abdullah Ocalan. I think this is a very important step made by the leader of the Kurdish movement. And we are, as Republican left of Catalonia, we positively value any step. I think peace and dialogue must be the fundamental tools to advance to guarantee of Kurdish people's rights. So I think all the steps done, this is the most important step. I think it is an important step, an historical step made by Mr. Ocalan, and now it's time from the side of Turkish government to do and a step forward too. So now it's time to maybe release Mr. Ocalan and begin this dialogue in the peace process. So not only it is important the right to hope of Mr. Ocalan as an inmate in Imrali, but not only this. I think it should be inside and leader this peace process himself.